Yak Backpack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Backpack. Look at my spooky ghost. Spooky, scary ghosts. Look at this scary ghost. Let's see what's inside. Open the spooky ghost. Oh, what is this? It's a snack. Snack. It's a snack. Snack. Would you like some of my snack? Snack. Snack. Ooh, look at this spooky ghost or that spooky ghost. Spooky. Let's find what is inside this scary ghost. Open. Oh, it's a spoon. 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 It's a spoon. 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 It's a spoon. Spoon. Oh, look at the rest of the spooky ghosts. Spooky ghost. Let's see what's inside this scary ghost. Open. Open. What is this? It's a slice of cake. Slice. 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 A slice of cake. Slice. Slice. Would you like a slice of cake? 3 spooky ghosts left. Here's this spooky ghost. He's so scary. Let's open. 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 What is this? Oh, what is it? Gross. Gross. It got snot on me. Snot. 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 Here, let's wipe the snot on a tissue. Snot. 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 Ew, snot. 2 spooky ghosts left. Let's see what's inside this scary ghost. Open. Oh, they are stamps. Stamps. Stamp. 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 It is a stamp. A stamp. Stamp. A last spooky ghost. Don't worry, he's not too scary. Open. What is this? It's slime. 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 We found some slime. 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 Bye-bye.
Yak Backpack.